Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily remove all photos or some special photos from your Mac. So for doing this you just need to go to your photos, just tap on photos, and here you will find photos, so just tap here on photos. And I recently deleted all photos from here, so you just select photos you want to delete, or if you want to delete all, you just need to press Command and A at the same time. Just tap on these two buttons and it will select all the photos. So after, just go to Edit, and here you will found delete. So after you select it, you will see here delete, and you will do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.